Hi friends, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to see the C Sharp program to display the multiplication of two numbers. So to write this program, I need two variables and I need another variable to store the results of the multiplication of two numbers. So first I'm going to declare the variables one by one. So to declare the variables in C Sharp, C Sharp has provided basic data types. So for this program, I'm going to take an integer type of data types. So we use int keyword to declare a data variable with an integer data type. So I take int space num1 semicolon. So this is how we declare a variable integer, a variable of type integer in C sharp. So I need another variable of same type integer. I name it as num2, and I need another variable of similar type data type to store the results. So I call it as multiplication. So now I am going to initialize a variable value to num1. So to initialize a variable, we use num1 using is equal to, we assign the value. So I'm going to use 10 for num1 and I'm going to use 20 for the num2. So this is how we initialize the variables in C#. Num1 and num2 are initialized. Now I am going to use the third variable to store the multiplication of two numbers. So C Sharp has provided a multiplication operator like this. So we use multiplication is equal to num1 multiply num2. So this is how we write a multiplication of two numbers. So the operator is a star operator. This will be used to display the sum of two numbers. So to display the results, so I'm going to use console dot write line. This time I'm going to use a string dot format method to display the results in more meaningful way. So I'm going to use the multiplication. I'm going to display the multiplication of um, argument 0 and argument 1 is argument 3. So we need to pass the argument values for um, 1, 2, and 3. So for this, I'm going to use num1 and num2, and the result is. So this is how we display the formatted string. So we need to write the formatted string and we need to pass the arguments. So for zero, it displays num1, and for one argument, it displays the num2, and for argument 3, that is this argument, mul will be the displayed. So the mul contains the multiplication of two numbers. So if you run this program, we will see what happens. So it is going to take a little time, but the compiles and it is executing the program. The expected result output is the multiplication of 10 and 20 is 200. So this is how we display the multiplication of two numbers. So friends, I have taken here one variable of the integer type, second variable is also of integer type, and I took another variable for storing the results, and I initialize the num1 with 10, num2 with 20, and I displayed the multiplication as mul1 star mul2, and I'm going to write the results in the using the string formatted way. So the multiplication of 10 and 20 is 200 is what it is displayed. So this is all about how we write a program to display the multiplication of two numbers. Friends, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more updated videos. Thank you so much.